Pupunta lang ako sa GMA kasi may dadaanan ako. And at the same time, natsyempohan namin na andito yung Bini.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Good morning, mga Zooks! Alam nyo, ang ganda ng morning, especially sa mga bata. Dahil kanina sa breakfast, si Aliyah at King lang kasi nagbe-breakfast usually. So, may lumapit sa kanila, nagbigay ng gift dahil sila daw ay nanonood ng aming vlog. At kung ikaw yon, please comment below kasi hindi nila nakuha yung pangalan. So, eto na yung gift, bubuksan ni Aliyah at ni Mimi. So, may lollipop, may candies. Ayan. Si Aliyah, tsaka si Mimi. Meron pa dito sa paper bag na iba't ibang...
You show these ones first.
Show this. Anong meron sa paper bag?
We got this for I also have them and Zara. Bubbles.
Wow.
It's actually one of their favorites. They love bubbles. This part of it.
And also cookies.
Yeah, and now
Biscuits.
The big
actually,
one.
Gabby's dollhouse is one of their favorites. So then, at
Wait,
least
Mimi, move.
Oh, let Daddy open it with
It
scissors.
looks like a lunchbox.
You think so?
It looks like a lunchbox. On the handle, it looks like a lunchbox, Mom. Yeah, it
is
is.
that enough to open it?
Maybe we can build a house with
Sa
it.
side pa ata, Daddy.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
There.
Open it.
Wait, no, baby.
Open. I said boom.
Mimi, ganun mo yung hair mo. Yan, para kita ang ganda face.
It's Santa Claus.
Wait.
Mimi, I'm gonna open the cat one. Okay. Where's the cat one? That one, number 2.
Mimi, sabihin mo, salamat po.
Salamat po.
Ikaw, Lele.
Thank you.
Ay, Tagalog! Si Lele naka-receive eh. Anong sinabi mo nung na-receive mo?
Thank you.
Nagulat ka? Ano ba sabi sa'yo?
She said, "Hi Aliyah. Hi Lele. I watched your vlog, my vlog,
Oh, really? And then?
and your mom's vlog."
And then?
She said, "I have a gift for you. It's upstairs."
Grabe naman. Taga saan sila?
Melbourne, Australia,
Ah, kaya nanonood sila ng vlog mo.
and yours.
And our vlog, yeah.
I'm not the greatest at unpacking things, as you can see. Wait, long, baby.
Si Mimi so excited.
I'm not so excited.
Please, just give me my avocado. I'm gonna open that one. I wanna open the cat one. I'm gonna open this one.
Yan na, Mimi. Open na ni
I don't know if
Daddy.
I did the right thing by opening it like that, but...
I think we just broke it.
Are you ready? I'm gonna duck it this way now. 1, 2...
Three.
Kabila. Other way.
Yeah.
He did it.
1, 2, 3... Woo! Oh, ang dami. Grabe. Ganda, oh.
That one's big.
Oy, look, oh. Ferris wheel. Ferris wheel ba to?
Yeah.
Oh, you know.
Mimi Ferris wheel, and
Look,
then
oh.
you put
And
them
then they can
there.
sit there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Gabby. This is my
Oh,
little
that's nice.
mermaid.
Oh, ayan na.
Not like that.
Isa-isa, you have to get
You
one
gotta
by
get
one.
one by one.
What's this? I don't know what that is.
Aray. Ang liliit. I think you have to assemble them. Wow naman. Thank you so much po sa regalo sa mga bata. Talaga namang excited sila. Kanina pa nila to gustong buksan. Pero sabi ko, ilalagay natin sa vlog para makapagpasalamat na rin kami sa inyo. And I hope makasalubong namin kayo dito sa hotel para makapag-thank you kami ng personal. So kung hindi man mangyari yun, sana po makapag-comment kayo dito sa vlog na ito para makilala po namin kayo. Again, thank you! And now, mag-gym muna ako dahil meron akong work later. So, I'll see you in the gym. Hi mga Zoops! Kami ngayon ay pupunta sa GMA dahil meron akong appointment. And since walang mag-aalaga sa mga bagets, kasama ko sila. Right, Mimi? Sama kayo sa taping?
Yeah.
Yeah, tama din si Lele. So, ito na nga. Habang nandito kami sa kotse, nagtatanong ako kay Aliyah kasi malapit na yung concert ng Bini. Sa ano na yun? Kailan yun, Lele?
February 15.
Yeah.
Near Sarah's birthday. I know that's on the day of Sarah's birthday.
Yeah, actually.
Can we
Tama.
bring Sarah?
Wala pa nga tayong ticket. Eh, tinatanong ko siya kung sino yung favorite niyang bias. Sinong bias mo?
Gwen.
Si Gwen. Kasi,
She's pretty and she looks like me.
iniisip ko, kahit makapanood tayo ng concert, Lele, baka hindi naman din tayo, makapagpa-picture sa kanila kasi ang layo. Diba? Kagaya nung nanood tayo sa Araneta, remember that? Diba? Nanood tayo, hindi tayo nakapagpa-picture. Nakita lang natin sila. So, paano yung Lele? Napanood na natin, tapos wala naman tayong ticket. Pag ba nakita mo sila, ano ba sasabihin mo?
I don't know.
You don't know? Mahirap silang makita, Lele, kasi they are so famous.
So they have a bodyguard. Who's their bodyguard?
We'll see in the concert kung makakuha tayong ticket. So pag nakita mo sila, baka mapanood nila to. Anong gusto mong sabihin?
I don't know.
Siyempre, idol mo yun, lalo na si Gwen. Anong gagawin mo pag nakita mo si Gwen?
Picture.
And then, are you going to say, idol kita?
No, I don't talk to girls.
Oh, you say, you're my idol. Ano nga sasabihin mo?
I don't know.
Malay mo, makakuha tayong ticket, tapos backstage pass. Siyempre, magpapapicture ka. O tapos, magsasayaw ba kayo?
TikTok.
I-invite mo siya. Ikaw, Mimi, when you see Beanie, anong sasabihin mo?
I'm gonna say pretty.
Pretty? Sino ba Beanie mo?
Gwen.
Si Gwen din. Yeah, you say, hi, Gwen.
Hi, Gwen.
I can't wait to see you.
I can't wait to see you.
Sabi mo, TikTok tayo.
TikTok tayo. Mommy,
Mm.
Beanie is pretty.
Ha?
Beanie is pretty.
Beanie, they are pretty, no? Yeah, like you. So, ayun, mga Zoobs, on the way na sa GMA, and I will update you kung anong oras kami matatapos today. Si King, kasama ni Ola at Tita Sam, after namin sa GMA, inimit namin sila sa UP Town Center. Kasi meron kami iba pang gagawin na errands after this.
Mama, where's
Yes.
Tita Sam?
Are you missing Tita Sam na so much, no?
I saw Tita Sam earlier.
Nag-breakfast sila eh. Yeah?
And I went to her room.
I know.
Mommy, I wanna go to Tita Sam's room.
Yeah, later.
And me and Tita Sam opened the advent calendar. Chupa chupa.
Chupa chups. Ayan. Ngayon ay nasa Skyway na kami. Ayan. Meron tayong konting nabili from Hilton. Mga pastries and chocolates. Hi guys! Sorry madilim. Nandito na ako sa parking area kami. Pinababa ko na yung mga bata. Kasi ganito yan. Sa totoo lang, wala akong taping. Pupunta lang ako sa GMA kasi may dadaanan ako. And at the same time, natsyempohan namin na andito yung Beanie. Kaya sinama ko yung mga bata. Isusurprise namin si Lele, si Mimi. Dahil nandito nga sila, magpapapicture lang kami saglit. So ayan yung natin. Kaya ako ini-interview kanina si Aliyah. So, dito na kami. Ayan, pinababa ko sila para masabi ko dito sa inyo sa vlog na yun yung mangyayari. So, pagdating namin doon, nandun na yata yung Beanie. So, I'll keep you posted mga Zoobs. Exciting!
I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into
Lahat talaga gagawin namin dahil nandito si Aliyah sa taping ng Fast Talk at nandito ang... Who's here?
You can use that chair for.
Who's here, Lala? Darating yung Beanie dito. Excited ka? Nakikita mo? Paano mo ba nakilala yung Beanie? How did you get to know?
Jaja.
Kay Ate Jaja? Yeah. Kay Jaja. And then, you followed them?
Pinapalo niya sa Instagram.
Nagsha-Shopee pa to para lang yung mga ano nila, merch. Diba?
Tapos she sings yung mga Tagalog songs.
No cherry on top.
Cherry on top. Are you excited? We're gonna meet them! Oh, di ba tinatanong kita, anong sasabihin mo sa kanila? Isipin mo na yung sasabihin mo na. Surprise! You're gonna meet Beanie today. We're gonna have pictures.
With all of them.
Yeah? Excited? O, isipin mo na yung mga itatanong mo, especially kay Gwen. Tsaka yung iti-tiktok nyo pag pumayag. Ha? Lele, lapit na tayo. Huwag na nahihiya. Picture na tayo? Lapit na tayo? Ha? Lapit na tayo? Ha? Lapit na tayo? Kay Beanie Gwen? Halika.
Kilala ka nila.
Say hello, memes.
Kabisala is Encantado.
Okay.
Bias ka daw niya, Ay, yung picture na? Uy! Oh my God!
Oh, twins, oh.
I love your hair color.
Yeah. She got her hair like that because of you.
Sino sa'yo gusto mo? Ha? Ayos niya. Okay, 1, 2. 1, 2.
Cause you know the world is beautiful, so beautiful. Cause you know the world is beautiful.
And natapos na kami kay Beanie. Sobrang happy ni Lele tsaka ni Mimi. Kita mo si Beanie?
Yeah, they're pretty.
Oh, so sweet. Nandito na kami ngayon sa UP Town kasi imi-meet nga namin si Sammy, Ola, and King. Gutom na rin kami. Kaya mamaya na ako magkukwento, guys, ha. Gutom na talaga kami. We're just waiting for the valet, guys.
So Sammy is back from Dubai and she has some gifts.
Can you give me my money? I don't have a gift for you. Ola has gifts for you.
Oh, no, where's my gift?
The happy birthday
Oh.
gifts to these two.
Birthday gift or ikaw muna.
Oh my God!
Mimi.
These are all my favorite colors.
Hey, wow, nice.
Ganda!
That's nice.
Oh, thank
They're all my
you.
favorite colors.
Ikaw din may gift.
And the news.
Bling, bling.
Bling, bling.
Bling! Ang ganda!
Oh, you got, did you get both?
I got a bracelet
I got
as well.
those.
So you're matching. You need to put in the bracelet.
It smells so good.
Ah, necklace and
Bling,
bracelet.
Oh, that's
Oh! Ano nakuha mo? T-shirt? Dubai? Nakasulat. Yeah, you like brown.
Yeah.
Wait.
The one that I got.
Ooh.
This is, he said it's like, it's silver. It's like 95 like silver, but then it's rhodium plated. That's why it's like so shiny.
Ang ganda, King. Ang ganda ng color. I like it.
I chose that because she picked something. I was like, I don't think you'll like that. I was like, I fold his laundry. I know what he likes. You got them all.
Okay, so I've got to get used to the technique.
T-shirt
Okay.
Dubai. Oh. I have earrings like this, but it's gold.
Open it.
Yeah, I got some here.
I want the pink one. The pink one.
Kulay, lahat na
Oh,
lang
look,
sa'yo.
they're separate.
Yeah.
Try natin dito.
God, this is expensive.
Ngayon, Lola, ganito.
No, no more names.
Nice.
I gotta open
Dito
it.
na lang gamitin mo. Lagay mo ng ano mo.
That's nice. Yeah.
Lagay ko sa buko. Si Ola.
Can I open it?
Yes.
Ay, ito pa another food. Ay, papala na yan.
Was that on the right side?
Maybe here.
Even when it flips, it's still super shiny. But on the one side, it's like a lot shinier.
Mga Zoobs, natapos na tayo sa ating araw ngayon. And gusto ko ulit mag-thank you kay Sam para sa aming advance birthday gift ni Andy. Kasi I think binigay niya na yun dahil syempre magsistay kami sa Philippines and uuwi na siya next week sa Australia dahil kailangan niya nang bumalik at mag-work. So binila niya na kami ng advance gift dahil this year it's gonna be my 40th and Andy's. So ayan, parehas kami ng regalong natanggap. So thank you Sammy for being thoughtful, for being generous. Oh my God, I think sobrang namang expensive ng nairegalo mo sa amin. Kaya salamat. And of course, the highlight is the surprise for Aliyah and Mimi. Sana na-enjoy ninyo yung surprise namin ni Mommy at Daddy. And pasalamat tayo, nandun tayo sa area at nandun ng Beanie. Ay, kung hindi, edi sana hindi nyo sila nakita. Thank you so much, Gwen. Ikaw talaga ang bias ni Aliyah. And si Aya din daw, ang bias ni Mimi. Gandang-ganda sila sa inyo. Maraming salamat for being so friendly with them. Happy sila because of all of you. So thank you also sa Fast Talk at nakisingit pa kami dyan. Pasensya na kayo at napadaan pa. And sa gift din na nagpadala sa amin sa Hilton, maraming salamat po. Actually, na-meet namin sila later that day. Kaya it was so nice to meet you po, and thank you so much for always watching our vlog every day all the way from Melbourne. Ayan mga Zoobs, maraming salamat and see you again for tomorrow's vlog. Bye!